Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can change sample rates in Adobe Audition. First of all, you have to open the preferred audio file, and after that you have to select the audio file and press Ctrl A. After that you have to go to edit. From there you have to go to from convert sample types, click on that. Now here you can change sample rates. Just simply click on your preferred sample rates. For example, I will just simply click on this and I will hit enter. For this you can use a shortcut key, which is shift plus T. From here you can also change the sample rates. You don't need to go to edit and select the convert sample type. You just use shift and T. It will appear here. If this tutorial sounds helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.